In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter and edit text in PowerPoint. This skill is fundamental for creating engaging and informative presentations, whether you're a student, a business professional, or someone looking to share ideas visually. So let's get started with these straightforward steps that will have you confidently editing text in no time. First, we need to open PowerPoint on your computer. Whether you've installed it from Microsoft Office directly or are using the Office 365 version, ensure it's up and running. If you're not familiar with opening applications, simply look for the PowerPoint icon on your desktop or search for it in your Start menu and click to open. Once inside PowerPoint, navigate to your specific presentation file. Perhaps you have been working on it this week, or you're starting fresh with a new project. Browse through your recent files or load your slide deck by going to File and then selecting Open to find your PowerPoint file. Make sure you have the right presentation open so you're ready to dive right into editing. Next, we need to find the text box in which you intend to work. Move your cursor to the slide where you want to add or modify text. You'll see that each slide can have multiple placeholders, blocks designated for text entry. Click inside one of these text boxes and you'll notice a border appearing around it, indicating that the box is active and ready for your input. Now it's time to start typing. When your cursor is active inside the text box, you can begin entering your content. If you're adding to existing text, position your cursor where you'd like to begin typing. Be sure to write clearly and concisely, considering your audience and the purpose of your presentation. Remember, the space within each slide is limited, so aim to use brief and impactful sentences. You've now added your text, but it doesn't stop there. PowerPoint offers fantastic editing tools. You can enhance your text by changing the font type, size, and color to make sure it stands out. Highlight important points by using bold or italics, or even use bullet points for clarity. So many options allow you to customize your presentation and maintain consistent styling. And there you have it, you've successfully entered and edited text in PowerPoint. With these skills, you're well on your way to crafting polished and compelling presentations. Continue exploring PowerPoint's features, and you'll find countless ways to express your ideas dynamically. Thanks for joining today, and stay tuned for more tips on mastering PowerPoint.